Belaz 75710.
It is the biggest mining dump truck in the world, with a payload capacity of 496 tons.
The ultra-heavy dump truck was launched by the Belarusian company Belaz in October 2013, under an order from a Russian mining company. Sales of Belaz trucks were scheduled to start in 2014. The truck is 20.6 meters long, 8.16 meters high and 9.87 meters wide. The empty weight of the vehicle is 360 tons. It is much heavier than Belaz's previous largest model, the 7560, which weighed 240 tons when empty. Belaz 75710 features 8 large-size Michelin tubeless pneumatic tires, and 2 16-cylinder turbocharged diesel engines. The power output of both engines are 4,600 horsepower. The vehicle uses an electromechanical transmission powered by alternating current. The 75710 is claimed to carry a 450-ton load. Instead of a single engine, the Siemens MMP 600 drive system is powered by two MTU 65-liter, 16-cylinder 4-stroke diesel engines. These are coupled to 2 AC alternators and 4 AC traction motors. Fuel consumption is 198 grams per kilowatt-hour, with the option to run on only one if carrying less than capacity loads. Maximum claimed speed of the truck is 64 km per hour and economy maximum speed is 40 km per hour. It has 8 wheels in pairs, compared to the more usual 6. Each tubeless pneumatic tire can support 102 tons, allowing them to carry the maximum capacity on top of its empty weight. The monster truck has a diesel-electric transmission system. 2 16-cylinder diesel engines drive generators which produce electricity to power 4 electric motors. Belaz 75710 is the world's biggest dump truck and is considered a great piece of engineering.